This is the practice test for algebra, and here we're working on number 3, which says, what is the value of minus 2x squared plus 4y if x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3? So the first thing we want to do is substitute the values for x and y into the expression. And here is the expression given to us in the problem. And we're told that the x is equal to minus 2. So I substitute the minus 2 for the x, and that's what I've done right here. Put the minus 2 where the x is. I need to keep the square, the exponent 2, on that x, because that's what we have right here. And then I need to also indicate that this is a multiplication of minus 2 out front. It's going to be minus 2 times x, and x is going to be squared. So it's going to be minus 2 times minus 2 squared. And then we have plus 4y, and we're told that the value of y is 3, and this is 4 times y, and I've indicated the multiplication by the parentheses. This is 4 times 3. So I'm always doing PEMDAS, and I have nothing in the parentheses that I can solve, but I do have an exponent right here, and I've calculated that over here. Minus 2 squared is going to be minus 2 multiplied by itself, which is going to give me a positive 4. Same signs give me a positive in multiplication. So now I want to replace this piece right here, the minus 2 squared, with the 4. And it's going to be now minus 2 times that. And then I just leave the plus 4 times 3 after it. And my next step rather, is going to be the multiplication. And it's going to be minus 2 times 4 gives me minus 8. And then positive 4 times positive 3 is going to give me a positive 12. And then I have the negative 8 plus 12 is going to give me a positive 4. And that's my answer, letter D.